First standard EVS Traffic Science. Hi students, how are you all? Welcome to the EVS class. Today we are going to learn different traffic signs. Shall we learn, kids? There are three types of signs. Okay, the first one is prohibited signs, and the second one is compulsory signs, and the third one is cautionary signs. So there are three types of signs. They are prohibited signs, compulsory signs, and cautionary signs. Now see the first one, kids. Stop. The sign is used on roadways where traffic required to stop before entering a major road. Okay, the second sign is give way. Okay, this sign is used to assign right of way to traffic on certain roadways. This is one way sign. Okay, one way sign specifies the traffic moves in a single direction and we may not go this way. This is horn prohibited sign. Okay, sounding of horn is not allowed near hospitals and in silence zones. Okay, this is no right turn. Okay, this is no right turn. Vehicles are not allowed to make a turn to the right. This is no left turn. Okay, vehicles are not allowed to make a turn to the left. This is no U-turn sign. This sign is used at places where vehicles are forbidden to make a turn to the reverse direction of travel. The next one is pedestrian prohibited. Okay, pedestrian prohibited. Pedestrians are not allowed there. Pedestrian means a person walking rather than traveling in a vehicle. The next sign is bicycles prohibited sign. Okay, bicycles prohibited. That means bicycles are not allowed. This is a all motor vehicles prohibited sign. All motor vehicles prohibited sign. This sign is used at places where entry to all types of motor vehicles is prohibited. This is a no parking sign. Okay, no parking sign. Parking is not allowed, but vehicles can stop for short duration to allow passengers to get into or get out of the vehicle. See this sign, kids. This is a no stopping sign. No stopping sign. Vehicles cannot stop even temporarily. Next, compulsory turn left sign. Compulsory turn left sign. This sign indicates that vehicles are permitted to proceed left only. Okay, this is a compulsory turn right sign. This sign indicates that vehicles are permitted to proceed left only. This is a compulsory ahead sign. This sign indicates that the vehicle is only permitted to proceed ahead. This is a sound horn compulsory sign. Sound horn compulsory. This sign indicates that must blow the horn. The next one is pedestrian only. Okay, pedestrian only. This sign means only pedestrians are allowed and the traffic is not allowed on this road. Okay, this is a 40 speed limit sign. 40 speed limit sign. This sign is erected at the beginning of the area covered by a speed restriction with numerals indicating the speed limit in kilometers per hour. Okay, this is a roundabout sign. Roundabout sign. This sign is used where it is necessary to indicate the approach to a roundabout. Okay, this is a narrow road ahead sign. Narrow road ahead sign. This sign is normally found in rural areas where a sudden reduction in width of pavement causes a danger to traffic. So, my dear kids, you need to be aware of these road signs and safeguard yourselves. We will meet in next class. Bye bye, kids.